right, we're joined by Mike Epple again over at 680, watching the global stocks taking a bit of a tumble. Good morning to you, Mike.
Yeah, good morning, Melanie. We're watching this risk-off attitude on global markets this morning coming off, well, last week we had records and this week not so much. Some of this has to do with the decision and announcement expected today by the Trump administration to recognize Jerusalem as the capital of Israel. And when you've got Middle East tensions potentially flaring up, then you have investors putting a little bit of money to the sidelines. So it started overnight in Tokyo and in Hong Kong, where the markets there dropped by a fairly significant 2% each. And in the European markets right now, we're looking at losses anywhere from 0.5% to 1%. And then the outlook for Wall Street, which is coming off a day that saw the Dow Jones drop 110 points. This morning, Dow futures down about 50 points. So it's something we're watching. It could be, again, just simply some profit taking because a lot of these markets have hit records and gone up straight line this year. But nevertheless, stocks set for a lower start to the trading day. Meantime, what is going up in value this morning is Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency clearing $12,000 and accelerating since then. Right now up by about $1,000, trading at 12,700 and change, and who knows where it's going to stop. It trades 24/7, obviously, because it's electronic. And the Chicago Board of Options Exchange and Chicago Mercantile Exchange set to start futures trading on Bitcoin, which could give it a little bit more legitimacy. By the way, $12,700 in U.S. funds is over $16,000 in Canadian money. Coming up today, we'll have a decision on interest rates from the Bank of Canada, which could affect the Canadian dollar. Our central bank not expected to move the overnight lending rate from the current 1%. It's raised rates twice already this year and has recently put out some signals that they want to wait and see how all this is going to change, ripple through the real estate market. The Bank of Canada waiting for the NAFTA talks to continue, see where that goes. And most recently, though, the Canadian economy has been doing pretty well, so a lot of forecasters think that interest rates will be going up again at the start of next year. WestJet and Delta Airlines announcing a joint venture program this morning. The two airlines, which already have some business partnerships, are going to do more code sharing, offer new destinations on each other's flights, and enhanced frequent flyer programs. And UPS in the United States says some of its deliveries will be delayed this week because they're still feeling the aftermath of what was a record-breaking Cyber Monday and U.S. Black Friday shopping extravaganza online. So all of that still has to clear through the system, and one of the world's biggest package delivery companies saying, got to be patient because they're trying to keep up with a surge in volume of online shopping and how that's going to your door. I'll send it over to the studio.
You know what I was thinking yesterday as I'm driving around town, Mike, that this online shopping is actually hurting traffic, especially downtown. I have seen an incredible increase in the number of courier trucks that are parked, in the middle of busy streets because there's just been so much more online shopping.
Cause and effect,
Kevin.
Cause and effect.
So we're getting more traffic because of this.
and then these poor people who have to actually deliver those, they try to get inside, and then they got to move along because they don't want to affect traffic.
Exactly, yeah.
And yeah, it's kind of interesting. Maybe drones are the answer, Kevin.
There you go. All right, thank you very much,
You're
Mike.
welcome.